A ship is safe in the harbor, but that is not what it is made for. So, here we are, expanding our boundaries. A very warm welcome to all the students to our YouTube channel of Secondary Success. Secondary Success, formerly known as The One India. हमारा मिशन है नॉन प्रॉफिट वे में एजुकेशन को एम्पावर करना. हम एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी बनाना चाहते हैं जहां स्टूडेंट्स अपने एकेडमिक्स में एक्सेलेंस और सक्सेस को अचीव कर सकें और साथ साथ हर फील्ड में ग्रो कर सकें. वी हार्टफुली वेलकम यू फॉर ट्रस्टिंग अस एंड अप्रिशिएटिंग आवर वेंचर. सो इफ वी गो इन डिटेल, सेकेंडरी सक्सेस पर हम आपको शॉर्ट टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, डाउट सेशंस, एकेडमिक अपडेट्स, एग्जाम एनालिसिस, सब्जेक्ट वाइज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और कंसेप्ट्स और बहुत कुछ प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारे बड़े सपने हमें मजबूत करते हैं कड़ी मेहनत करने के लिए, और इन्हीं सपनों के लिए हम एंट्रेंस एग्जाम गाइडेंस भी देते हैं, जिसमें CUET, IP मैट, MHCET, IPUCET, क्लैट और दूसरे नेशनल लेवल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन भी करवाएंगे. हम आपको करियर गाइडेंस भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जिसमें पर्सनलाइज करियर काउंसलिंग सेशंस अवेलेबल हैं हायर एजुकेशन, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स और गैप ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. आज की बिजी दुनिया में जहां करंट अफेयर्स और न्यूज़ का कोई अंत नहीं है, हम आपके लिए सिंपल करंट अफेयर सेशंस देते हैं. करंट अफेयर्स जो लगभग हर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आते हैं, तो इससे ना सिर्फ आपका जनरल नॉलेज इंप्रूव होता है, बल्कि एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी, वोकैबुलरी और कंटेक्चुअल नॉलेज भी इंप्रूव होती है. अब अगर हम आज के कंपटीशन की बात करें, तो आपका सबसे बड़ा कंपटीशन दुनिया नहीं, बल्कि आप खुद हैं. दुनिया से नहीं जीतना, खुद से जीतना है, और इसके लिए स्टडीज से कहीं ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारा मेंटल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. इसलिए हम मोटिवेशन और स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट सेशन भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जो आपको सेल्फ स्टीम और कॉन्फिडेंस को इम्प्रूव करेंगे. लेकिन यह अंत नहीं है. हमारे पास आपको सिखाने के लिए और बहुत कुछ है, जैसे क्विजेज, टेस्ट और आंसर राइटिंग एटसेट्रा. हमारे पास आपके लिए नॉलेज का एक एंडलेस मैजिक बॉक्स है. अब आती है एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात. सबसे मुश्किल सफ़र वो होता है जो शुरू ही नहीं होता. कोशिश करना कभी फेलियर नहीं होता. फेलियर तब होता है जब हम शुरू करने से पहले ही हार मान जाते हैं. तो आपके इस सफ़र की शुरुआत के लिए हम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं हमारे डेडिकेटेड मेंटर से, जो आपकी गाइडिंग लाइन बनेंगे इस जर्नी में और आपकी मदद करेंगे.
Hello students, I am Arpit Chaurasia, the proud owner and manager at Secondary Success. As a passionate student currently pursuing the CS course and BCom honors, I am here to empower you all ambitious school and college students to set your goals and craft an action plan that truly works for you. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock your dreams for a brighter future. And now let's pass the mic to our hardworking Ruchi, who is ready to take us further. Thank you.
Hello students, this is Ruchi Sharma, a co-manager at Secondary Success. I am currently pursuing Company Secretary course by ICSI and BA Honors in Journalism and Mass Communication. For the past 2 years, I have been passionate about guiding students and engaging in educational projects. I am excited to share my knowledge and experience with you all. As a content writer, I will be creating informative and engaging content to help you on your learning journey. Now, I would like to pass the mic to Soumya. She will be sharing valuable insights and guidance with you all.
Hello wonderful students, I am Soumya, your mentor for class 11th and 12th Humanities stream, as well as I will give you strategies and tips for conquering UPSC CSE examination. I have recently completed my class 12th exam with an impressive rank in my school, and I will be thrilled to share my personal experiences with you all. Together, we will unlock the secret to mastering your exams and achieving your goals. So buckle up yourself and get ready to embark on this exciting learning adventure with me. Now let's proudly pass the mic to Anupriya.
Greetings, aspiring scholars. I'm thrilled to introduce myself. I am Anupriya Kushwaha, your dedicated mentor for CLAT, ALET, MHCT and other law entrance exams. But that's not all. I'm here to guide you through your 11th and 12th humanities journey. Together, we'll unlock your potential and set the stage of your future success. Currently, I'm pursuing an integrated BA LLB course, merging the worlds of liberal arts and law. And I can't wait to share my insights and knowledge with you. Let's embark on this exciting journey towards achieving your dreams. Now, let's pass the spotlight to Sanvi, who has so much talent to share.
Hello students, I'm Sanvi, your dedicated mentor for all the things related to competitive exams. Currently, I'm in 12th grade, studying humanities under the ISC board. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you. Together, we'll explore valuable tips and tricks that will not only help you ace your exams, but also build a strong conceptual foundation that will serve you well in the future. As we begin, I'd like to leave you with a quote that truly inspires me. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Anthony J. D'Angelo. Let's make this learning experience enriching and enjoyable. Here's to a journey ahead. Moving on to the next slide, we understand the importance of offering a range of valuable services along with materials, which is why we are on multiple channels to avoid confusion for any required materials such as notes, access to free comprehensive notes of all subjects from grade 9 to 12 on at Subject Zone. We also provide notes for college students here. Margdarshak Badge. This is our own paid badge that provides personalized guidance tailored to your academic needs. We'll be explaining to you about this in our upcoming video. Discussion group. Here you get to engage with other students where you can discuss doubts, share knowledge and gain insights. Sample question papers. At question_papers. We provide these essential materials to help you prepare for your exams along with other premium resources that will give you an edge in your studies. Cutting to the next slide, we are also active on Instagram at secondarysuccess.ig where we offer a variety of content to assist you such as career guidance, new courses and exams, motivational content that helps you focused and driven, practical tips and tricks to enhance your learning, current affairs. Stay up to date with the latest news and events that are relevant to your studies. Thank you for your time and attention. If you found this information valuable, please consider to join us on Telegram and Instagram to fully benefit from the resources and support that we offer. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, continue to strive for excellence in all your endeavors. Thank you.